How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to borrow money from Sportybet. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for those of you guys who aren't aware, Sportybet is like the name suggests, a sports betting platform where you get to put money in a team that you think has a chance of winning, and in turn, if they do win, you get some money back, and then some. And as you guys can see from my screen here, here's their main website, and you get to choose what type of sport you'd like to bet in. So it can be football, basketball, tennis, or whatever. Choose the teams that you want to bet money to, see if they win, and then what Sportybet does is it tracks all of the game progress and posts all of the results here on their website. And to actually borrow money from this platform is quite easy. Now, I'm not going to show you guys how I'm going to do it because it does require an account, but it's pretty straightforward. So all you really need to do is register for an account, and that one's pretty much a given. And there should be a couple of options for borrowing money in Sportybet. So let's say that you guys got your account going and you're ready to place some money on a couple of teams for soccer or whatever, or football, whatever you want to call it. So the way it works is once you have an account going and you don't want to enter your bank details, what's going to happen is there's going to be an option where Sportybet spots you the money, and if you win, obviously you get that money and then some, and if you don't, then or rather, if your team loses, then you'd have to input your payment details so you could pay them. And the sign up process is quite simple. All you really need is an email address as well as a name and the amount that you want to bet. And the supported payment gateways for Sportybet are AstroPay, Visa, MasterCard, credit and debit card. So that's pretty cool. You can even see here the grand prize winners are these guys betting money on, I don't know, some teams. And you can even go international with this. So let's say that you don't want to bet money on a local team. You could set it to international or region specific. So let's say that you want to bet money on the teams in Brazil, like just the soccer games in Brazil. Then obviously you can do that too. You can cash out. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So all of the actions are built into Sportybet. All you guys really need to do is create an account. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.